In this video, we will see a complete demonstration of the Irys RFID system. For the demo purpose, we will have an RFID wand scanner, an RFID surface reader, 100 pieces of jewelry in different arrangements, one to simulate a retail scenario where the items are kept in trays, and another to simulate a wholesale environment where products are packaged in Ziploc bags and stored in a plastic bag. We also have the RFID application running on an Android tablet where the data can be synced from a backend ERP software or POS system that you might be using currently. Let us look at the first feature of the app, which is the e-catalog. The e-catalog is an extremely useful marketing means organizing all your product information in one place. This feature is useful not just for the buyers, but also for the sales rep. When you click on the catalog icon, you will land on the page where products are classified based on different item types or collections. The buyer can then choose which specific item type he wants to see. Let's say the buyer wants to see all the rings that you have. He clicks on the ring items and browses through all the rings in the inventory. There's an option to play a slideshow to view the product pictures. It can play in an automated mode, or you can also slide through in a manual manner. If the user likes any product, he can just click on the image and is taken to the product details page where all the item attributes are listed, such as metal purity, metal type, weight details, stone details, pricing information, and so on. If the buyer comes with a very specific requirement, he can go to the View All screen and use the filters options to select specific parameters. For example, if I am looking for rings in a bridal collection and in metal type white gold, I just apply those filters and it shows only the filtered products that match my selections. Now you can see that there are only 8 rings out of the 200 products that we have in stock over here, which match the required parameters. In case you wish to share any of the individual product information with your friends or colleagues, you can click on the Share button, and it allows you to use any of your social media platforms like WhatsApp, Microsoft Teams, or anything else to share the information. If you would like to add these products to a catalog, you can select multiple items and add them to the cart. On the cart page, these items can be exported in PDF or Excel format and shared over an email as well. Next, let us look at the next and most important feature of the app, stock audit or stock verification. We will be using a wand scanner with this feature. The scanner is already paired with this device over Bluetooth. When you go to the stock audit module, if the device is switched on and paired correctly, you will see a green check mark on the device. When you want to do a stock audit, you can either use the Start/Stop button on the tablet app itself, or you can use the red scanning button, which is marked as RFID on the device. I start the scanning and I move the scanner over the entire inventory. Here you can see that all the items that were in the expected list are now moved to the scan list. All the categories are marked in green, further verifying that all items have been scanned accurately. To demonstrate missing items, I will remove a couple of products from the inventory. Maybe pick out 2 rings and a pendant and set them aside. Let's repeat this scan. Let us clear the data. We will use the Start Scan button on the screen itself. So, I click the Start Scan and I will move the scanner slowly over the entire inventory, ensuring that I cover all sections. As I still move the scanner over the inventory, there are no new items scanned. You will see that 197 items have been scanned and 3 missing items were the ones that we set aside. Let's look at those products. If I click on the rings section, it tells me that these 2 rings are not scanned. I can also click on the product to get the details of the product. The other missing product is 1 pendant. Let us look at the products that we had set aside. Here are the rings, which are marked as Irys 163 and Irys 189, and the pendant, which is marked as Irys 196. To verify that these were the items that were not scanned, I will just move the scanner over them, and you can see that all items have now been accurately scanned. Once the stock audit is completed, you can also save this report by clicking on Create Report. The audit result will be saved in an Excel or PDF file once you've selected the desired format. This report is available on the tablet under the Report section. The third feature that we are going to take a look at is the shortlisting function. This is ideal for manufacturers and wholesalers while participating in shows and exhibitions where many products are selected and confirmation of these selections is to be given to the client immediately. For this purpose, Instead of using the wand scanner, we will use a flatbed scan of what we call the surface. This requires an external power supply such as a power bank and connects to the app over Bluetooth. We can go to the device section and ensure that the surface is selected for the shortlisting function. When you go to the shortlist module, if the device is switched on and paired correctly, you will see a green check mark on the device. Now, this is a larger surface scanner but has a lower read range, which means it is not going to read any items that are kept adjacent to the scanner, but will only read the ones that are placed directly on it. It is capable of scanning roughly 20 to 25 products at any given time, which are placed directly on the device. To create a list, I just click on Start Scan and add products on the tray. You can see that the product gets added to the screen. Any new product that I scan continues to get added to the list. As you can clearly see that any products that are not on the device are not getting scanned. Any product that has already been scanned and is already on the list need not be kept on the surface. You can continue building your list while the products are freed up to showcase to other customers. Now, once the products have been shortlisted, you can click on Stop Scan and go to View Cart. You can see the cart that has been prepared. You can add, edit, or delete any items from the cart. You can change the quantity of the product. You can also take meeting notes or modification requests for a particular product. This list can be saved in the form of a quotation, a list, or just a picture catalog. Let's take a look to how to save a quotation in PDF format. Let us select PDF for now. If there are any remarks such as the delivery date is to be the 30th of June. Next, enter the customer's name, address, and quotation number. There is also an option of auto-generated quotation numbers. You have the option to email the quotation directly. Once you click OK, quotation will be directly available to view on the tablet. So, you can see the quotation for the 4 products shortlisted. Moreover, there are 20 to 30 different quotation formats available in the app. If needed, you can also build custom-developed formats. Next, let's take a look at the Smart View function, which is an amazing tool for customer engagement at trade shows or in retail outlets. It empowers the retail store owner to demonstrate products to the clients with utmost ease, as well as engage the customers by giving them first-hand information about the product the moment it is placed on the tray. To enable this, I just started the Smart View feature on the tablet. The moment I pick a product and place it on the surface, the product details are available on the screen. The basic information, the pricing details, the stone details, and everything is right here at your fingertips. If I add another product, it automatically adds to the list. Any product that you do not wish to look at is automatically removed from the screen the moment it is removed from the surface. If I add it back, it will pop up right away. It also allows the user to select multiple products and compare them based on the different parameters available. You can also select products from here and add them to the cart to export to a picture catalog or a quotation like we did with the shortlisting function earlier. Another amazing feature of the Smart View function is the Enable Item Tracking feature. This feature allows you to start tracking any product that is placed on the surface. If a particular product is given to a customer for trial and not returned to the device within a specified time frame, the system automatically starts giving you an alert telling you that the particular item is missing. The missing product details show up right here and will not go away until it's ensured that the product is returned to the surface. Even when someone tries to disable the tracking feature, it will prompt for a security PIN, which only the store owner is authorized to provide. Without entering the correct PIN, the feature cannot be turned off. So, this adds an extra level of security that any jeweler is looking for in a retail outlet. The last function that we are going to look at is the item search function, which is an extremely useful tool when trying to look for a particular item. Let's say from the back stock in a retail outlet or maybe at a trade show where a particular item has gotten misplaced that you would like to find. RFID can help you find this particular item. There are 2 modes of search in the Tiara app, a single item search and a multi-item search. For single item search, where you can even go to the catalog section and select a particular product. You select the product that you want to search, say a ring that you are looking for, and trigger the search function. For the search feature, we will use the wand scanner. As I move the scanner over the tray, it tells me if the particular product is here or not. The moment I come to the bag, I start hearing an audible note which tells me that the product I am looking for is right here. If I go back to the tray, I do not get any audio alert. If I come back to the bag, you can hear the item is being detected and is being identified by the device. Similarly, if I had to do a multi-item search, I go to Item Search and then to Multi-Item Search. Let us add a few products. Let's say we are looking for these 3 products. Now I'm not sure which product is in which of the trays or is in the bag. I reduce the scanning power because I would like to narrow down the search. I trigger the scan. The moment I go over the bag, the system tells me that Irys 060 is in the bag. If I move to the tray, it indicates that Irys 161 is in this tray. And if I move to another tray, it tells that Irys 145 is in this tray. If I go back to the bag, it confirms the first item in the bag again. This way you can identify the items and cut your search time drastically.